Are you looking for a phone that offers a big screen, minimal bezels, and a solid build, all for less than $300? Honor might just have that for you with their 7X. Hey, what's up guys? Honor might not be the first name you think of when you're looking for a new phone, but it's actually a sub-brand of Huawei and brings a lot of the same tech and software. So let's see what this phone has to offer. I'm Will for GSM Arena, and this is our Honor 7X review. The Honor 7X has a solid unibody of anodized aluminum. Ours is in matte black. The thick metal build is sturdy. This phone feels like it could take a beating. The edges are rounded, lending some curviness to the phone, and the curvature is also accented by 2.5D glass around the edge of the display. It's not a bezel-less phone, but the top, side, and bottom bezels are quite small. You can opt for either 32 or 64 gigs of storage, and is expandable through microSD. There is a micro USB port at the bottom and a single loudspeaker. We do wish there was a USB-C port instead, but at least there is a headphone jack. With headphones, you can also enjoy the built-in FM radio. The always-on fingerprint reader is rear-mounted and is extremely fast to wake up your phone. The Honor 7X is big. It has a 5.9-inch IPS LCD screen with a 1080p resolution. This is with a tall 18:9 aspect ratio, which is all the rage recently. It has dark blacks. It's an awesome contrast ratio for an LCD, and the max brightness and sunlight legibility are good too. The Honor 7X uses Huawei's EMUI 5.1, which we've seen perform nicely on many other phones. It's based on Android 7.0 Nougat, but adds a few extra features. You can switch between having apps on the home screen or stored in an app drawer. There are plenty of launcher settings, and you can customize your navigation keys too. And for customizing the look of your home screen, there are a lot of alternate themes available to download. At the heart of the Honor 7X is an octa-core Kirin 659 chipset. In performance benchmarks, it holds its own against the mid-range competition, but falls behind in graphics tests, so it's probably not the best for heavy gaming. In day-to-day use, the 7X performs well though. Apps open pretty smoothly, and we didn't notice any substantial lag. The Honor 7X has a 3340 mAh battery, and battery life is pretty solid. In our proprietary tests, it earned a respectable 77 hours. Battery charging isn't the fastest, but it's okay. We got from 0 to 33% in half an hour. Now onto the camera. The Honor 7X's main cam is 16 megapixels. There is a second 2 megapixel sensor, but you won't be taking photos with it, and it doesn't provide for zoom. It's only there to gauge depth in portrait mode. The camera interface offers a bunch of manual settings, and some filters to customize your shots for social media. Photos themselves have natural colors and a moderate amount of detail and dynamic range. Low-light shots are unimpressive, and it doesn't seem like the 2 megapixel sensor does much to improve them, but then again, quality is what you'd expect for a phone camera in this price range. Portrait mode uses the two cameras to produce a defocused background behind the subject. The blur is not perfect though, and we've seen better implementations even without a second camera. The 8 megapixel selfie shooter on the Honor 7X does a pretty good job. There's plenty of detail and colors are natural just like on the main cam. There's even a selfie bokeh mode, which uses software to create the effect rather than a second camera. Nevertheless, selfie portraits look just fine. The 1080p video quality doesn't quite live up to our expectations though. Videos aren't as sharp as the competitors, and there is lower dynamic range than the still images have. But the noise is kept low, and colors and contrast are very good. So there you have it. Overall, the Honor 7X isn't too exciting of a phone, but it's solid, dependable, and borrows a lot of proven technology from Huawei. And you'd be hard-pressed to find a better deal on a mid-range phone with this big of a screen, so it earns our solid recommendation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and you can always stop by gsmarena.com for our full test findings. See ya!